Stop living on autopilot. Another morning, same routine, alarm, shower, coffee, commute, work, home, screen, sleep, repeat. When was the last time you actually felt alive? Most of us aren't really living. We're existing. We've handed the controls over to autopilot, and somewhere along the way we forgot we even had a choice. Days blur into weeks, weeks into months, and suddenly it's December and you're wondering where the entire year went. You're not alone. Studies show the average person spends over 7 hours a day on screens. We make roughly 35,000 decisions daily, but 95% of them are completely unconscious. We're sleepwalking through our own lives. The wake-up call. But here's the truth nobody tells you. You can wake up. Not tomorrow. Not next Monday. Not when things calm down. Right now. Living intentionally isn't about overhauling your entire existence. It's about reclaiming the small moments you've been giving away. It starts with awareness. Noticing when you're just going through the motions. Catching yourself mid-scroll and asking, is this what I want to be doing right now? The difference between autopilot and intentional living isn't about doing more. It's about being more present with what you're already doing. Ask yourself, what would change if you treated today like it actually mattered? What if you stopped waiting for permission to live the life you keep planning for someday? Every single moment is a choice. Stay on the well-worn path or step into something different. Practical steps. Here's how you start. 1. Create a morning ritual that doesn't involve a screen. 5 minutes. That's it. Sit with your coffee. Journal. Stretch. Do something that's just for you. 2. Practice the one-breath pause. Before you transition between tasks, take one conscious breath. Feel it? This tiny reset brings you back to now. 3. Schedule white space in your calendar. Time with no agenda, no productivity goal. Just time to exist, explore, or do absolutely nothing. 4. Notice your automaticity. When do you check your phone without thinking? What triggers your autopilot mode? Awareness is the first step to change. 5. Do one thing differently each day. Take a new route. Try a new food. Call instead of text. Small changes wake up your brain. The truth. Here's what nobody wants to hear. You don't have infinite time to figure this out. Every day you spend on autopilot is a day you don't get back. Not to scare you, but to wake you up. One day you'll look back at your life. And the question won't be whether you were busy or productive, or whether you checked everything off your list. The question will be, were you actually there? Did you taste your food? Feel the sun? Tell the people you love that you love them? Did you take the trip, start the project, have the conversation? Did you live or did you just exist? The beautiful thing about autopilot is that you can disengage it anytime you want. You just have to decide that your life is worth showing up for. So here's your wake-up call. Stop living on autopilot. Your life is happening right now. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more deep dives into intentional living and mindfulness. And comment below. What is one thing you're going to do differently today to wake up? Share this video with someone who feels stuck in the repeat cycle.